Top 25 Accounts Receivable Interview Questions and Answers. Are you preparing for an accounts receivable interview and want to stand out from the competition? In this video, we'll break down the top 25 most important questions with powerful, professional answers to help you impress recruiters and land your dream finance job. Whether you're a beginner or experienced professional, this guide will help you confidently tackle interviews and showcase your financial expertise like a pro. 1. Can you tell us about yourself? I am a detail-oriented finance professional with experience in accounts receivable management, billing, and collections. I have worked with accounting software to track invoices, reconcile accounts, and ensure timely payments. My strengths include accuracy, communication, and problem-solving. I enjoy maintaining strong client relationships while ensuring company cash flow remains healthy. In my previous role, I reduced overdue accounts by implementing structured follow-up processes. I am always eager to learn new systems and improve efficiency. Overall, I bring dedication, analytical thinking, and professionalism to every financial responsibility I handle. 2. What is accounts receivable? Accounts receivable refers to the outstanding payments a company is owed by its customers for goods or services delivered on credit. It is recorded as a current asset on the balance sheet because it represents incoming cash flow. Managing accounts receivable effectively ensures that a business maintains liquidity and minimizes bad debts. This process involves invoicing, tracking payments, and following up on overdue balances. Strong accounts receivable management helps organizations maintain financial stability, build customer trust, and ensure smooth business operations through consistent and predictable cash inflows. 3. Why is accounts receivable important for a business? Accounts receivable is crucial because it directly impacts a company's cash flow and financial health. Efficient receivable management ensures timely payments, which allows businesses to meet operational expenses and invest in growth opportunities. Poor management can lead to cash shortages and increased bad debts. It also reflects how well a company manages customer relationships and credit policies. By maintaining accurate records and following up on payments, businesses can improve liquidity and profitability. Ultimately, accounts receivable plays a key role in sustaining business operations and financial planning. 4. What steps do you follow in the accounts receivable process? The accounts receivable process begins with issuing accurate invoices to customers. Next, payments are tracked and recorded in the accounting system. Regular monitoring ensures that outstanding balances are identified early. Follow-ups are conducted through emails or calls for overdue accounts. Reconciliation is performed to match payments with invoices. Any discrepancies are investigated and resolved promptly. Finally, reports are generated to analyze receivables performance. This structured approach ensures timely collections, reduces errors, and maintains healthy cash flow while fostering positive customer relationships. 5. How do you handle late payments or delinquent accounts? Handling late payments requires a professional and systematic approach. I start by sending polite reminders before the due date and follow up immediately after delays occur. Communication is key, so I contact customers to understand any issues and negotiate payment plans if necessary. I maintain detailed records of all interactions for transparency. If delays persist, I escalate the matter according to company policy. My goal is to recover payments while maintaining a positive relationship with the customer. Consistency and professionalism help reduce overdue accounts effectively. 6. What accounting software are you familiar with? I have experience working with accounting software such as QuickBooks, SAP, and Microsoft Excel for financial tracking and reporting. These tools help streamline invoicing, payment tracking, and reconciliation processes. I am comfortable generating reports, analyzing data, and maintaining accurate records using these systems. Additionally, I am a quick learner and can adapt to new software efficiently. My focus is always on using technology to improve accuracy, save time, and enhance overall productivity in accounts receivable operations within any organization I work for. 7. How do you ensure accuracy in your work? To ensure accuracy, I follow a systematic approach that includes double-checking entries, reconciling accounts regularly, and maintaining organized records. I rely on accounting software to minimize manual errors and use checklists to verify each step of the process. Attention to detail is crucial, especially when dealing with financial data. I also review discrepancies immediately and correct them before they escalate. Continuous learning and adherence to company policies further enhance accuracy. By staying focused and organized, I ensure that financial information remains reliable and error-free. 8. What is the difference between accounts receivable and accounts payable? Accounts receivable represents money owed to a company by its customers, while accounts payable refers to money the company owes to its suppliers. Receivables are considered assets because they bring in cash, whereas payables are liabilities since they represent outgoing payments. Managing both effectively is essential for maintaining financial balance. Accounts receivable focuses on collections and cash inflow, while accounts payable deals with payments and cash outflow. Together, they ensure smooth financial operations and help businesses maintain stability and strong relationships with stakeholders. 9. How do you prioritize your tasks in accounts receivable? I prioritize tasks based on urgency and impact on cash flow. High value and overdue accounts are addressed first to minimize financial risk. I also ensure that invoices are issued promptly to avoid delays in payments. Daily monitoring of receivables helps me stay organized and proactive. I use task management tools and schedules to keep track of deadlines. Communication with clients is prioritized to resolve issues quickly. By focusing on critical tasks and maintaining a structured workflow, I ensure efficiency and effectiveness in managing accounts receivable responsibilities. 10. How do you deal with difficult customers during collections? When dealing with difficult customers, I remain calm, professional, and respectful. I listen carefully to their concerns and try to understand the root of the issue. Clear communication helps in resolving misunderstandings and building trust. I focus on finding mutually beneficial solutions, such as flexible payment arrangements. Maintaining a positive tone is important to preserve relationships. If necessary, I follow company policies for escalation. My goal is to recover outstanding payments while ensuring the customer feels valued and respected throughout the process. 11. What is aging report in accounts receivable? An aging report is a financial document that categorizes outstanding invoices based on how long they have been unpaid. It typically groups receivables into time periods such as 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, and beyond. This report helps identify overdue accounts and assess the effectiveness of collection efforts. It also assists in forecasting cash flow and identifying potential bad debts. By analyzing the aging report regularly, businesses can take timely action to recover payments and improve overall financial performance and credit management. 12. How do you handle discrepancies in invoices? When handling discrepancies in invoices, I first review the details to identify the source of the error. I cross-check records, contracts, and payment history to ensure accuracy. Then, I communicate with the customer or relevant department to clarify the issue. Prompt resolution is important to maintain trust and avoid payment delays. I document all findings and corrections for transparency. Preventive measures, such as double-checking invoices before sending, help reduce future discrepancies. My approach ensures accuracy, efficiency, and strong customer relationships. 13. What is DSO and why is it important? Days Sales Outstanding, or DSO, measures the average number of days it takes a company to collect payment after a sale. It is an important metric because it reflects the efficiency of accounts receivable processes. A lower DSO indicates faster collections and better cash flow, while a higher DSO may signal collection issues or lenient credit policies. Monitoring DSO helps businesses improve liquidity and financial planning. By reducing DSO, companies can ensure consistent cash inflows and strengthen their overall financial health and operational stability. 14. How do you reduce DSO in a company? Reducing DSO requires a proactive and structured approach. I ensure invoices are sent promptly and accurately to avoid delays. Clear payment terms are communicated to customers from the beginning. I follow up regularly with reminders before and after due dates. Offering multiple payment options can also encourage faster payments. Monitoring aging reports helps identify high-risk accounts early. Building strong customer relationships improves cooperation in collections. By maintaining consistency and using data-driven strategies, I can effectively reduce DSO and improve overall cash flow performance. 15. What are credit policies and why are they important? Credit policies are guidelines that determine how a company extends credit to customers and manages collections. They include criteria for approving credit, payment terms, and procedures for handling overdue accounts. These policies are important because they help minimize financial risk and ensure consistent decision-making. Strong credit policies protect businesses from bad debts while maintaining positive customer relationships. They also improve cash flow by setting clear expectations. By following well-defined credit policies, organizations can achieve financial stability and maintain control over their receivables. 16. How do you evaluate a customer's creditworthiness? Evaluating a customer's creditworthiness involves analyzing their financial stability and payment history. I review credit reports, financial statements, and past transaction records. Payment patterns and references from other vendors provide additional insights. I also consider industry trends and economic conditions that may impact their ability to pay. Setting appropriate credit limits based on this analysis reduces risk. Continuous monitoring ensures that any changes in financial behavior are addressed promptly. This approach helps maintain a balance between maximizing sales and minimizing potential losses. 17. What is bad debt and how do you handle it? Bad debt refers to receivables that are unlikely to be collected from customers. It occurs when customers fail to pay despite repeated efforts. To handle bad debt, I first ensure all collection attempts have been exhausted, including reminders and negotiations. If recovery is not possible, the amount is written off according to company policy. Proper documentation is essential for transparency. Analyzing bad debts helps identify patterns and improve credit policies. By minimizing bad debt, businesses can protect their financial health and maintain accurate accounting records. 18. What is the role of reconciliation in accounts receivable? Reconciliation involves comparing financial records to ensure that all transactions are accurate and complete. In accounts receivable, it ensures that payments received match the invoices issued. This process helps identify discrepancies such as missing payments or incorrect entries. Regular reconciliation improves accuracy and prevents financial errors. It also ensures that customer accounts are up to date. By maintaining accurate records, businesses can build trust with clients and make informed financial decisions. Reconciliation is a critical step in maintaining financial integrity and operational efficiency. 19. How do you maintain customer relationships while collecting payments? Maintaining customer relationships during collections requires professionalism and empathy. I communicate clearly and respectfully, ensuring that customers understand their obligations without feeling pressured. Listening to their concerns helps build trust and resolve issues effectively. I aim to find solutions that work for both parties, such as flexible payment plans. Consistent and polite follow-ups reinforce accountability. By balancing firmness with understanding, I ensure timely payments while preserving long-term business relationships and customer satisfaction. 20. What challenges have you faced in accounts receivable? One common challenge in accounts receivable is dealing with delayed payments, which can impact cash flow. I have also encountered discrepancies in invoices that required careful investigation. Managing multiple accounts simultaneously can be demanding, especially when prioritizing tasks. Communication barriers with clients may also create difficulties. To overcome these challenges, I stay organized, use efficient tracking systems, and maintain clear communication. Problem-solving skills and adaptability help me handle complex situations effectively. These experiences have strengthened my ability to manage receivables efficiently. 21. How do you stay organized in your work? Staying organized is essential in accounts receivable to manage multiple tasks effectively. I use digital tools and accounting software to track invoices, payments, and deadlines. Creating daily to-do lists helps me prioritize tasks based on urgency. I maintain clear documentation for all transactions and communications. Regular reviews ensure that nothing is overlooked. Time management techniques help me stay focused and productive. By keeping my workflow structured and consistent, I can handle responsibilities efficiently and maintain accuracy in all financial processes. 22. What is cash application in accounts receivable? Cash application is the process of matching incoming payments to the correct customer invoices. It ensures that accounts are updated accurately and reflects the true financial position of the business. This process involves verifying payment details, identifying discrepancies, and recording transactions in the system. Efficient cash application reduces errors and improves customer account management. It also helps in maintaining accurate financial reports. By ensuring that payments are applied correctly, businesses can streamline operations and enhance overall accounts receivable efficiency. 23. How do you handle high-volume transactions? Handling high-volume transactions requires efficiency and strong organizational skills. I rely on automation tools and accounting software to process data quickly and accurately. Prioritizing tasks and setting clear workflows helps manage large workloads effectively. I also ensure regular monitoring to catch errors early. Maintaining consistency and attention to detail is crucial even under pressure. Collaboration with team members can also improve efficiency. By staying focused and using technology effectively, I can manage high transaction volumes while maintaining accuracy and productivity. 24. What reports do you generate in Accounts Receivable? In Accounts Receivable, I generate several reports to monitor financial performance. These include aging reports, collection reports, and cash flow forecasts. I also prepare reconciliation reports to ensure accuracy. These reports help identify overdue accounts and assess collection efficiency. They provide valuable insights for decision-making and financial planning. Regular reporting ensures transparency and accountability. By analyzing these reports, businesses can improve their receivable processes and maintain healthy cash flow, ultimately supporting overall organizational success. 25. Why should we hire you for this role? You should hire me because I bring a strong combination of technical skills, attention to detail, and professionalism. I have experience managing accounts receivable processes efficiently, ensuring timely collections and accurate reporting. My ability to communicate effectively helps build positive relationships with clients. I am proactive in identifying issues and implementing solutions to improve cash flow. I am also adaptable and eager to learn new systems. Overall, I am committed to contributing to the company's financial success and delivering high-quality work consistently. And there you have it, the top 25 accounts receivable interview questions and answers to help you succeed. With preparation and confidence, you can impress any interviewer. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll be one step closer to landing your ideal finance role. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interview tips. Share this with friends preparing for finance roles, and let us know which question you found most useful. Good luck with your interview journey.